Students, today we will start exercise 8.2 of percentage chapter, and today's topic is increase or decrease in percentage. How we can find out the increase or decrease in the percentage. So just to find an increase or decrease of a quantity in percentage, we first find the increase or decrease in its value and then divide it by the original value, and then we will multiply it by 100 to get the required percentage. Means there is a formula for it. You can see here, increase in percentage is equal to increase in value by original value into 100%. Similarly, decrease in percentage is equal to decrease in value by original value into 100%. Original value will always be in denominator, and whatever the value increased or whatever the value decreased, that we will write it in numerator. Okay, you will understand it better through this exercise 8.2 some word problems questions. Let's see first. Question number 1 of exercise 8.2. If a number increases from 650 to 715, then find the increase in percentage. We have to find the increase in percentage, and the original value is this and increased value is 715. Then how much increased? First of all, we will find out what is the increased value. Then we will change that into increase percentage. So increase value is equal to 715 minus 650. Just subtract it. We will get here 65 is the increase value, and original value is 650 because after increasing it became 715. So original value is this and the increased value is this much, 65. Now we have to find the increase in percentage. So we know the formula, increase in percentage is equal to increase in value divided by original value. What is the increase in value? 65. And what is the original value? You know, original value is 650 multiplied by 100. 65 1 just 65. We can just then 1 10 ja 10. 10% is the answer. Means 10% is the increased percentage in the original value. Then this number became 715 after increasing 10% in this. Okay. Now next question. If 400 decrease to 380, means this is the original value. It decreases to 380. This is the new value. Original value is this. Then find the decrease in percentage. Then again decrease in percentage. We know the formula how to find out the decrease in decrease value by original value into 100. So we will first find out the decrease value. What will be the decrease value? Original is 400, new value is 380. Just subtract it, we will get 20. 20 is the decrease value. Now you have to find out this decrease percentage. So decrease percentage is equal to decrease in value divided by original value. Decrease in value is this, and original value is you know 400. This is the original value. Write down this before only. Original value is equal to 400 and decrease in value is equal to this minus this. Now multiply by 100. 2 10 ja 20, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. So we will get here answer 5%. Okay, 5% is the decrease value, decreased percentage, and when we will add this, we will get in this, we will get 400. 380 plus 20 is equal to 400. So 5% is the decrease percentage. Okay, next question is, Jayant reduces his weight from 84 kg to 77 kg. Means his weight, original weight was 84 kg, but it reduced to 77 kg. This is the original value, this is the new value. Find the percentage of reduction. Reduction means decrease percentage, you have to find out. Similarly, same like this question number 2, you have to do this. Decrease in percentage. How much decrease? Decrease value first you will find out. 84 minus 77, that would be the decrease value, and then do the same way, decrease value up, in denominator write down the original value into 100 percentage. Okay, so this is your homework, question number 3. Question number 4. A sum of rupees 1200 increases by 7 1/3 percentage, means this is increased by this percentage. The resulting amount then decreases by 25%. First this amount increased by this much and then resulting amount decreased by 25%. Find the final amount. We have to find the final amount. You have to see this question carefully. Look at here. We know the original amount is 1200, okay, and increased percentage is given 7 1/3, 7 whole 1/3 percentage is increased, means 7 3 is 21 plus 1 22/3 percentage increased. So you have to first find the increased value. Increased value will be what? This much percentage of 1200, means 22/3 percentage of 1200. Just calculate it. 22/3 and percentage is here, means 100, of means multiply 1200. Just cancel out. 3 4 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8. 88 is the increased value. And we know what is the next part of the question, that the resulting amount then decreases by 25%. But what is the resulting amount? First find out the resulting amount. Means after increasing, what will be the resulting amount? Resulting amount will be 1200 plus this 88, because this much is increased. So just add it. 1288 is the resulting amount. It's 25% decreased. So decreased value will be equal to 25% of 1288. Just calculate it, students. 1288. You can see here 25 4 ja 100, then 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8. 322 is the decreased value. You have to find the final amount. Final amount means the resulting amount was this, and from this much percentage was decreased, means the final amount will be what? Final amount is equal to, this is the resulting 21288 minus 322, because this amount is decreased. So 8 minus 2 will be equal 6, and then 8 minus 2 6, 12 minus 3 9. 966 is its answer. Got it? Stepwise step you have to do. Increased value we will find first, because this much percentage was increased. So after that we will add, because this is increased value. Now the resulting is this. After that 25% decrease, so we will minus it. Okay, next question is question number 5. Let's see this. A number after increasing by 20% is 1500. Means a number, we don't know what is the number, but it's 20% increased and the resulting value is this. Means when a number increased by 20%, the value became 1500. Okay, find the original number. You have to find that original number whose 20% is increased and the number became 1500. So we will let the original number be x. Original number be x, and we know it's 20% increased. So increased value is equal to what? 20% of x. It's only 20% increased, so 20% of x means 20 by 100 into x. 2 5s are 10. So x by 5 is the value increased, and original was this. And after increasing, the value become 1500, means this was the original value and it is the increased value, x by 5. When this will both will be added, it is equal to 1500. So you have to find the value of x. So we will take the LCM, students. 5x plus x is equal to 1500. So 5x plus x will be equal to 6x by 5, that is 1500. 6x by 5 is equal to 1500. Then x is equal to what? 1500 into 5 by 6. This will come in divide and this will go in multiply. Okay, now 3 2 just 6, 3 5 is 15, 0 0. Then 2 25 just 50. We will get here 250 into 5. Multiply it. 5 0 is 0, 5 5 is 25. 5 2 10, 11 12. 1250 is the original number. Okay, because it's 20% increased and then the value become 1500. Before it was 1250. Now increased value is this. Got it, student? This is the process you have to do in this manner only. Now next question is question number 6. Shruti wants to increase her weight from 40 kg to 45 kg. Means she want to increase her weight. Now her weight is 40 kg, but she want to make the weight 45 kg. Find the increase in percentage. First of all, increase value. 45 minus 40 equals to 5 kg she wants to increase. So increase percentage will be what? Increase percentage is equal to 5 by original weight, that is 40. Okay, and the increased value will be 45 minus 40. So 5 by 40 into 100. You can do this, students. Question number 6 is your homework. Question number 7. Seema's monthly salary increases from 50,700 to 53,911. Find the increase in percentage. Same increase in percentage you have to find. Her salary was this, but now her salary increased this. So increase value will be what? This minus this. And then increase value up, and in denominator the original value into 100. You can find the increase in percentage. This is also your homework. Question number 8. Sumesh height is 147 centimeter after an increase of 5%. Means after 5% increased, her weight became 147 centimeter. But before, what was his original weight? We don't know. That original weight you have to find out. So we will let the original weight be x. Let the original height be x, not weight. Height be x. Increased percentage we know 5%. So what is the increased value? Increased value is equal to 5% of x, that is 5 by 100 into x, means 5 to 10. So x by 20 is the increased value. Okay. So after increase, original was this. After increasing this much x by 20 centimeter, her new height is 147 centimeter. Okay. So you have to find the original. So 20x plus x by 20, you will take the LCM, 147. So 21x by 20 is equal to 147. So x is equal to what? 147 into 20 by 21. Just calculate. We will cancel it by the table of 7. 7 3 ja 21, 7 2 ja 14, 7 1 ja 7. Then 3 7 ja 21. 7 2 ja 14. 140 centimeter was his earlier height. And then when it increased by 5%, the new height became 147. So this is the original one, earlier one, plus the increased, which is equal to 147. Got it? Student, question number 9 and 10 is your homework. First you have to try this question. Okay? If you will not be able to do, then only I will give you its answer. But first you have to try. And your homework is this practice time. Practice time, there are very important good questions are there. You have to try this exercise. This is very important. Okay?